Hi friends, welcome back. Today I will show you a very yummy dessert, egg pudding. It is a very quick and easy recipe. Please try it and you will love it. Things that you will need are fresh milk, 1 liter full fat, 150 grams of sugar, 6 eggs, 3 slices of white bread with the sides removed, few strands of saffron, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now you need to boil the milk. In the milk you will add the saffron. Now add in the sugar and cook it for more 5 minutes on medium flame. Now cut the bread into small pieces. Now pour some hot milk on the bread to make it soft. That's it, not much. Let the milk cool down. Add the soaked bread. Eggs. And blend it nicely with a hand blender. After blending, add the vanilla essence. Now shift the mixture to a baking tray. Now preheat the oven on 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Place the tray in the oven and cook it for 60 minutes on 220 degrees. Now we will check our pudding. Just shake it a bit and check. If it is tight and firm, that means your pudding is ready. This is not very tight, so we will cook it for more 10 minutes. Now our pudding is ready, but what we need to do is, we want a little brown color layer on the top, so we will grill it for more 5 minutes. I have turned on the upper flame of the oven, so on this setting, grill it for 5 minutes. Yummy, it's ready. Let it cool down and then put it in the fridge for at least 1.5 hours. Now we will cut it.